Are you in search of reliable yet affordable web hosting? Well, today is your lucky day. I'm excited to offer you a full year of web hosting from a well known provider endorsed by WordPress for absolutely free. Plus, you'll also receive a complimentary .com or .net domain name. Yes, you heard it right. Top notch web hosting and a domain name practically for free. Watch this video until the end to see that this offer is 100% legitimate with no hidden fees or catches. After thoroughly testing DreamHost web hosting and confirming its reliability and user friendliness, I became a partner with them. So, for every qualified person I refer to DreamHost, they provide me with a commission. But instead of keeping all the commission to myself, I thought why not pay you back for your 1 year hosting and domain name registration. As a bonus, you'll also gain access to my mini course DreamHost for Beginners, Master It Quickly. And if you need assistance with web hosting, SEO, affiliate marketing, or anything related to working online, you'll also receive a free 1 hour consultation with me via phone call or Zoom. Wondering how to get all of these benefits for free? Simply go to DreamHost using my personal link bensexperience.com/dreamhost, link below, and get yourself 1 year of shared unlimited hosting plan and your domain name if you don't have one. Then send me proof of payment like the payment receipt and your PayPal address. And I will PayPal back what you paid, which is $35.40. For any questions, feel free to contact me at ben@bensexperience.com. To ensure a smooth process, I'm only accepting 7 people for this offer this month, and I'll pause it until the next month. So act fast and secure your spot today. Here are the steps again. Go to DreamHost using my link bensexperience.com/dreamhost to get a year of their shared unlimited plan for $35.40. 3. Email me proof of payment to ben@bensexperience.com plus your PayPal address to receive what you've paid to DreamHost. That concludes the details for this offer. I'm confident that it will benefit numerous individuals seeking to reduce expenses while hosting their website or obtaining a professional looking email address. Remember, there are only 7 spots available for this month, so act quickly.